In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find draft posts on Facebook. Be sure to watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in the video. So you're first going to begin by making a draft post because you need something to find. So let's say I just write something random and then I want to post it later, so I click the X. You have the option to save it as a draft. Now, as you can see, it says your post was saved as a draft. Now, when you come back to the app later on and want to actually use this draft, you can click on what's on your mind again, and it will be there as a draft. Now, you can also post it just to yourself, and it will actually post on your behalf. So let's say I say hi and then I put it to only me. I'm going to post it, and then that is the post. But as you can see, if I save multiple things as drafts, I can save it, and then I can actually go to my profile too and also find it over here as well, where I click my profile and I can click on what's on my mind and I can add it there again. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.